Start. Hi, I'm Pankaj from Rishabh Colors Private Limited. We are into filler master batch and desiccants. We are basically importers of all these products. This is our black master batch. This is our white master batch. These are our PE based fillers and PP based fillers. And we are also doing recycled polymers. And as we all know that recycle is almost going to be mandatory from 2025. So we are trying to introduce more and more recycled products. So there is an equal balance for all those things. We have also got some sodium fillers, which actually is used for transparency. So you can reduce your polymer consumption by using the sodium fillers. So we are trying to work towards the saving of plastics in India. And so far we are the biggest importer of all these products in India. Anything else you want to say? I feel that they could have done a little bit more to increase the footfall. Plus, the organization was a little weak initially. 1 or 2 days we had little bit problems. The deliveries were late. The stall was not getting proper. But I think they are learning, and we hope that by next year or whenever is the next exhibition, they will improve drastically. And hope all the best for everyone.